Hello everyone. Today I want to talk a little bit about some Columbia history. Let's learn a little bit about Columbia. And I want to talk about the first developed suburb in Columbia, which actually remains a very popular neighborhood today. Shandon, which was originally named after Shandon, Ireland. In the late 1800s, Shandon was rolling farmland. In the 1890s, Shandon had started to become developed. Matter of fact, they put the first three lots were laid out, I believe it was in 1893. And if I remember correctly, the company that started this development was the Columbia Land and Investment Company. I believe that's correct. So they started laying it out. Well, by 1909, it was incorporated into a town. By 1910, they had put a streetcar line in, which really spurred the growth in building and development. Houses started popping up everywhere. Shandon was popular. A lot of these homes now, going forward, were even owned multi-generational. Houses were left to children and grandchildren and so on. Well, by the Great Depression, a lot of the houses in Shandon, there were multiple houses, not every house obviously, but a lot of houses were starting to be cut into multi-family homes and rented out. This continued to a certain extent, and by the 1950s, college students, mainly from USC, were renting these affordable apartments. So actually that development, you can basically blame the stock market crash of the Great Depression on that college student parking their van in your yard right now. So, that's, things go around. But actually, as you know, as everyone knows, Shandon attracted people. Now, by the 1950s, Shandon was actually considered kind of an old neighborhood. A lot of people were at retirement age, but the proximity to urban areas and amenities really attracted young families. People came in, they renovated houses, they improved yards, and it moved forward. And today, as you can see, Shandon is a multi-generational, vibrant neighborhood. There's a lot of activity going on. The values of the property are really good. We still do have some of those quadruplexes and duplexes with the college students living in them, but we love those college students. So just wanted to give you a little bit of a history about Columbia. We're going to try to do some of these just to make it kind of fun, and so we can all learn a little bit more about the area that we live in, the great city of Columbia, South Carolina. This is Lance Woodley with the Lance Woodley team.